Welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable insights for entrepreneurs looking to grow their businesses and boost their financial success. In today's video, we'll be discussing EBITDA, a financial metric that can help entrepreneurs drive growth and increase profitability. Join us as we explore how EBITDA can be a powerful tool for entrepreneurs looking to grow their businesses and their bank accounts. EBITDA stands for earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. It is a financial metric that provides entrepreneurs with a clear picture of their business's operating performance by excluding non-operational factors. EBITDA is often used as a measure of a company's profitability and cash flow generation potential. Let's dive into why EBITDA is a valuable tool for entrepreneurs. 1. Assessing operating performance. EBITDA allows entrepreneurs to evaluate their business's core operating performance by excluding interest expenses, taxes, and non-cash expenses like depreciation and amortization. By focusing solely on the business's operations, entrepreneurs can identify areas of strength and weakness and make informed decisions to optimize profitability. 2. Comparing business performance. EBITDA provides a standardized metric that enables entrepreneurs to compare their business's performance against industry peers and competitors. By benchmarking EBITDA, entrepreneurs can gain insights into how their business is performing relative to others in the market, identify areas for improvement, and set realistic growth targets. 3. Analyzing cash flow generation. EBITDA is closely linked to a company's cash flow generation potential. By focusing on the earnings generated from operations, entrepreneurs can assess their ability to generate cash and fund ongoing business activities, such as investments in growth initiatives, debt repayments, or working capital needs. A healthy EBITDA indicates a strong foundation for cash flow management. 4. Supporting investment decisions. EBITDA is a valuable metric when considering investment decisions or potential business partnerships. Investors and partners often evaluate a company's EBITDA to assess its financial health and growth potential. A robust EBITDA can attract investors, secure financing, and enable entrepreneurs to negotiate favorable terms. 5. Driving business valuation. EBITDA plays a crucial role in business valuation. It serves as a starting point for determining a company's enterprise value, which is a key factor in merger and acquisition transactions, equity financing, or selling a business. By focusing on maximizing EBITDA, entrepreneurs can enhance their business's value and increase their potential for a profitable exit strategy. EBITDA is a powerful tool that empowers entrepreneurs to evaluate their business's operating performance, compare performance against peers, analyze cash flow generation, support investment decisions, and drive business valuation. By leveraging EBITDA analysis, entrepreneurs can make informed decisions that lead to business growth and increased financial success. Remember, EBITDA is just one piece of the financial puzzle. It's important to combine EBITDA analysis with other key performance indicators, financial ratios, and industry-specific metrics to gain a comprehensive understanding of your business's financial health. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the power of EBITDA for entrepreneurs. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and strategies to grow your business and your bank account. Thank you for watching, and may EBITDA be your guide to entrepreneurial success. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.